have that seal. I mean, I think this needs to be done by the T, and so I don't want to run into any more issues. I really want to get Miss Shelton paid, and I really want to get this taken care of.
Okay, where are your respective offices?
I have an office in Grand Rapids and in Troy, Your Honor.
Mr. Noble, where is your office?
We are in Southfield.
I think you need to send a runner. I don't.
Oh yeah, good idea. Great idea.
All right.
I think you need to send a runner.
I wasn't even thinking that way. Eric, does that work today? Can I send someone over today?
Yes, that should be fine. My only concern, and this is very, very minor as to something you noted, is I'm not sure if I have a notary in the office who has a seal, which would be my only concern.
Okay.
But does it have to have a seal? Her notary stamp should be sufficient.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So you do have a notary, Mr. Noble, correct?
Several, yes.
Okay, all right, just your notary and their stamp. That's appropriate.
What time can I send someone over, Eric?
I would suggest about 1 p.m.
Awesome. That works. We appreciate it.
All right,
Not a
so
problem.
August, if it's not resolved, August 21st at 10 o'clock. And Ms. Shelton, you can go to the Troy office after, we said 3 o'clock on Monday to pick up the other check.
Sounds good.
Well, and my client alleges that he moved out on 1/4, and then the timestamp on the letter was mailed 2/3.
Okay, the timestamp on this letter is 2/16, and I've got
The one I have is 2/3.
Let me see here.
No, they sent that letter to me about February 16th. We got the original letter as well.
Yeah, I got it on there. So
Yeah,
you
the
want me to
timestamp
share?
on there.
Yeah, you want me to share it? Lord, how do I get back to the? All right, you're there.
Also, Mrs. Lofton, for clarification.
You know, just a minute, Mr. Mims. I want to cut to the chase here. Even if you don't share it, Ms. Thomas Scruggs, can you tell me what it says for assessed damages? Just tell me what it says.
It said
have
things.
it.
Oh, it's
Okay.
Oh, my.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. If you haven't seen the newest addition to the 187, well, here she is in all her glory. Miss Perez is a snotty, entitled new Karen lawyer that has passive-aggressively been going back and forth with Judge Boyd. And in this video seen previously on Time Served, will be listed in the description. She has quite the attitude, and I think the underlying tension has spewed over in court today, and Judge Boyd has had it when Miss Perez decides she wants to leave court early and just zoom in.
Wrong.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
Has been reset and reset and reset. So we're proceeding.
It was recalled.
All right, so he's entered his plea of true. Mr. Perez, if you can come down, please.
Okay, Judge, I'm back. So I spoke to Natalie Perez from the Esperanza Court, and I was on the phone with her. And she does say that she does want another order of referral, even though the County Court 15 did one for her. She said that we'll probably have to do another one. So I don't know if I can fill that one out, and I just email it to the court for them to sign.
Oh, you all just do the plea bargain agreement, and then I'll take care of that.
You'll fill it out?
Once you all enter your plea, then I will take care of that.
She gave me the form for me to fill out so I can email it to the court.
No, you all need to, are you all entering a plea on this case, or is this case going to trial? That's my question.
Well, I'm comfortable, Judge. I just want to make sure to let my client know that this is going to be for a longer term before we sign anything.
My understanding is that you all had already talked about a plea bargain agreement. Where is your office, counsel?
Right now, I'm at my home office, Judge. I'm not there right now. I'm not down anymore. I'm like 30 miles away.
All right, so we'll wait for you, unless you all can do the plea by Zoom. So it's completely up to y'all, whether y'all want to do it by Zoom or you can come back down.
I think Daniel said that he had prepared the paperwork.
All right, then you need to come back down and take care of your client's case.
So she's not allowed to execute the documents electronically, Judge?
Okay, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people are leaving court before seeing me, but we are where we are now. And where we are now, if that paperwork cannot be produced by the state because there's been some issues, then you're going to have to come back down to take care of that. So that's where we are.
I mean, I guess that's fine. We don't need that paperwork because we've already got it in County Court 15.
All right, so here's the thing. County Court 15, which I think that judge is great. I think County Court 15 is great, but this is the 187th Judicial District Court. District Court takes precedent over misdemeanor court. I don't know why there was some sort of an agreement where people were like, oh, she's going to plead to the misdemeanor case, but then she's going to come back and plead to the felony case at a later date. We are taking this felony case now. Whatever County Court 15 is doing, that's their jurisdiction over misdemeanor cases. I'm in felony court. Felony courts takes precedent over misdemeanor court. So here are y'all three choices. One, state, are you able to do the paperwork electronically?
Judge, I can. It's the thing, again, confirming with defense that the agreement that we talked about in County Court 15 for this case is that the agreement that they're going.
All right. So
what? I didn't hear what he said, Judge.
All right. So what he's saying is that you need to come back down to the 187 District Court and we'll wait for you here.
I'll turn this damn bus around. That'll end your precious little field trip pretty damn quick, huh?
All right. You're here on your case?
Yes, Your Honor, we reached an agreement. So we're ready to go whenever recorded.
All right. So who is your client?
Mr. Arnold Garza right here.
Arnold Garza?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then after this, I'm going to go next door to see Mr. Allison off. I hope I have not missed it.
It's these bewildered looks that says, how dare you, Judge? I need to speak to your supervisor. That probably sets Judge Boyd off. Unfortunately, after this, Judge Boyd and Attorney Perez did not have round 2 live. However, I am certain there will be more clashes between these two. See you, nerds. You have been served.